Hi, I'm Fiona Fussi, and you're watching NYLON TV Singapore. So my day-to-day makeup look is really simple. I'm actually very low maintenance. I like things that are very fast and easy, but also natural and fresh, and normally things that I can also take with me on the go. Basically, yeah, easy. So this is the first product, and it's a tinted moisturizer, and it's a new product that Chanel is launching. And Adele, the editor-in-chief, asked me to try it. So let's see how it's like. Yeah, it feels really smooth, very light, a very light finish, and I think it's meant to be like that because it's a tinted moisturizer, so it's not so heavy, and it feels really nice. Now I'm going to apply it on my face, and I'll just use my fingers. Well, all done. And it was actually really fast, really simple to use. I just used my fingers, and it went on really easily, and it gave me a very even coverage. I think it looks really nice. And if you want a little bit more coverage, you can use this, which is the Chanel Healthy Glow Gel Touch Foundation. You can actually see like left and right the face that I did. I've actually used this product before, but I really like the coverage it gives me. It's a little bit more coverage than the tinted moisturizer, but it feels really light. Now I'm going to add some color to my eyes, and I'm going to use the eyeshadow palette called Light. So now I'm using this pink color, and I'm applying it on my whole eyelid. Now we're using the bronze shade, and we're going to apply it on the crease and a bit of the outer corner. Now I'm just blending the two colors together. Now I'm going to use the darkest purple shade and just use the tip of the applicator and almost line my lashes with it. This is a new shade from the collection, and it's a blush stick that is in a nice rosy red color, but actually if you look closely, they have this gold shimmer. And I really like these blush sticks because actually they're super convenient. So you can apply them in different ways, either like directly or on your hand, and you can fit them in your bag really easily. So I think they're really nice. I'm just going to use my fingers to blend it. It looks really natural, and I think it just creates this healthy, rosy glow on the cheeks. So this is a new product from Chanel, and it's a lip balm, but it's this nice tinted, rosy color. I thought it was going to be sheer actually, but it's quite pigmented, and the color payoff is really nice. I love doing my eyebrows, especially with the gel, and then you brush through it, and it's so therapeutic. Nice. And this is my final look. What do you think?